I'm not where I'm supposed to be. I'm going in circles, going in circles.
Apple AirPower is officially dead. Let's pay our tribute, let's pay our respect to the AirPower. Just give it a 1 minute of silence. So, AirPower is officially dead. Apple just cancelled the project yesterday and they had to let everyone know. The project manager, the head engineer, yesterday just released a note that's saying that the project is officially dead. Why? Because the AirPower was not just any other wireless mat. The AirPower was quite different from what we're having right now in the market. Right now in the market, all these wireless pads we're having contain one coil, which just allow you to charge one device at a time, and also they're not that quite reliable. Why? Because just a slight displacement from the coil means that your device won't get to charge. So what Apple was going to make with the AirPower was the mat was going to contain like between 20 to 30 coils, meaning you get a perfect alignment of the coils, and so at each point, at every point you place your device to charge, it was 100% sure that your device will get connected and charged. Also on top of that, the AirPower was to allow you to place several devices on top of it, so you could place your iPhone, your Apple Watch and your AirPods on top of it and they would charge. So Apple, back in 2017 September, when they were launching the iPhone X, they announced the AirPower. It was a big hit in the market because everybody was fascinated, but not quite everyone. It was just a very big thing that was not existing, and Apple had to go for things that don't exist. You know, Apple there. So after being launched, everybody was waiting for it, and they said that it would come out 1 year later. And last year, during the launch of the iPhone XS, everybody thought it would be there, but it wasn't there. But there were dummies over there, but they never worked. There were dummies. But just last week when they launched the new AirPods, back at the box they had a drawing of the AirPower, meaning the AirPower was yet to come. It was so close to come, but now out of the blues they say that the AirPower is not coming anymore. Why? The thermal issues is just a problem. On top of the wireless capabilities of the charging with multiple devices, you might have a software which could detect what device you're charging immediately. So let's say you're charging your iPhone, your iPhone, your AirPod and your Apple Watch. So whenever you just place your iPhone on top, all the devices that are charging will be listed, and all of them will be having the battery capacity, the battery percentage at that time, at that point when they're charging. That was something amazing that Apple was just going to go for. But now, with the downfall of the project, it's quite sad. It's quite sad that this will not be coming. Even if it was coming, I don't really know if it could charge our Android devices, and if it could tell us what Android device is charging at that point. That I'm not sure, and I think the Android devices could charge, yes, but we won't get that feature of knowing what device is charging on the mat. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, share.
Constantly fighting for space. I need to clear my mind. Need to clear my mind. I wanna be empty. Be